Hello, what's your name? My name is Anna. Nice to meet you. Good afternoon. How are you? I'm good, thank you. How about you? I'm also good. Where are you from? I'm from New York. What do you do? I am a student. Do you like coffee? Yes, I love it. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. I also like pizza. What do you do in the morning? I brush my teeth, take a shower, and have breakfast. What's your favorite part of the day? I like the evening when I can relax. Do you like shopping? Yes, I enjoy it. What do you like to buy? I like to buy clothes and books. What do you do on weekends? I like to relax and spend time with family. Do you have any plans for the weekend? Yes, I'm going out with my friends. Please like, subscribe, and share.